Okay, in the mailbox today we got some good stuff. Got a couple shock kits for a new video coming up. We're going to rebuild some Ride FX Air 2.0 shocks. Those are the kits to redo them. Them are for Poops a Lot. And then I got some mail. And then I got this package here. I'm waiting for some stuff to come from Amazon, but this didn't come from Amazon because it was addressed to me at Rinky Dink Machine Shop. So this has got to be probably, I'm assuming, some stuff from YouTube. Probably some award or something I've won. But it's the dollop, whatever that is. It's got to be pretty good. And I got this card here. So the card says, flip me over. And sure as shit, it says right on the back, from your loyal YouTube followers. So I checked out the dollop, and the dollop is a pile of shit. It says, eat shit on there. So I got at least one viewer out there actually watching these videos and realizing that they're shit. Attaboy, whoever you are. Thanks. I got a Firecat F6 to go through. Come with multiple problems. No reverse. We found problems with the reverse. With some broken, there should be a bolt broke off there. And then this idler gear, this should actually be on the chain case, not on this part. We got some other broken parts in there, so we got to pull the case right off there. Jack shaft bearing on this side's loose. Clutches are dirty. Gonna do the power valves. Got it already started tearing it apart the other day, but a lot of components to fix up, clean up. Gonna do all shocks. Got the skid frame pulled out there. But we're getting it all tore apart so we can get watch it. So we can get a list of parts that we need. And we'll clean parts and put it back together while we're waiting for parts to show up. Okay, here's all the parts we took off that we need to fix. We're going to clean the primary clutch, secondary clutch. We got exhaust valves that we're going to clean up, which these are tremendously clean. I just can't believe how clean these are for never being cleaned. You got to put a new rope in the recoil. It's too short. You come to the end of the stop and want to rip the rope out of the recoil. So it needs to be about another 3 foot longer. Got to put a new bearing out here on this outboard side because them are known to be bad. We got to fix up the reverse. It's got buttons rounded off in there. They go in them holes to kind of make the reverse work. And on this chain case, we got broken bolt up here that holds the tensioner in place, tension the chain. They were getting some chain ratchet in. That tensioner was broke and was at war and causing some troubles. That piece went through there. I'll have to check that a little closer. We got the track out of it. Exhaust is out of it. We got to go fishing for some hardware we lost down in the belly pan. And we'll start fixing up components here, I guess. Okay, we got our skid frame all tore down on our Firecat here. Got shocks pulled out to redo those. There's all the parts for that. Shocks are sitting over there. We'll do those a little bit. This is all looking pretty good. Didn't need any wheels or bearings. Sliders look decent. Here's our jack shaft. That's not bent. Maybe it's bent, we don't know. We're going to weld that up and try to machine it down. It'll probably be bent so bad after that it's going to be unusable. We got another one out there we could use, but it's longer. We have to cut it down and keep got the F6 all ready to go. Put that all wrapped back together. Thought we had an oil leak on there. We're still checking on that. We had the chain case apart twice. There was a little bit of an oil leak there, so we moved it up a couple feet. We'll let it sit for a little while and see how much oil goes on the ground, if any. Here's one upholstery guy's working on. It's a Pro Cross chassis. Quite a bit different than the Firecat chassis. It's got an engine buried down in there. I don't know if he's going to do power valves or not. I don't think so. This guy didn't want much done. He just wanted chain case oil changed and just looked over. It ain't got many miles on it, 1,700 miles. Probably should have shocks done, but they don't want to spend much money, so they get what they get. Okay, here's another one of the upholstery guys' jobs. ZR 6000 Limited. Limited is basically an early buy deal, and they get a graphics package, I guess, which would be Realtree camo, and then they give you some suspension upgrades. You got some fancy Fox shocks on here, and some other stuff probably comes with the bumper and the hand guards and whatnots. Probably a special track, 129, which would be the short track of these style machines. He just serviced it, changed chain case oil, and just give it a once over. It's only got 1,700 miles, so it shouldn't need a lot. Check the power valve cables, made sure them power valves moved up and down. Check the cable lengths, and call it macaroni. Okay, this is upholstery guy's job. Polaris 550 Super Sport. Got low miles. I don't know what it is. 1,700, 1,100 something. We took the engine apart. Only had no compression on one side. I don't know if you can see that. That piston's all burnt. Gotta get a new piston. See about a cylinder. Can't see the scoring, but we gotta play with that a little bit. That might be some aluminum transfer on there. We might be able to hone that out without messing up the liner. If there's a Nicosil liner there, I don't know. It's junk now. Can't wreck it much more. Both the guys got his engine done on this one. Got this ready to ship too. Got 135 pounds compression on both sides with his honed cylinder repair. Seems to be working okay. Time will tell.